For this PIXLR assignment, you are going to be adding text on top of images, creating an Insta-worthy or an Instagram-worthy post where you are combining an inspirational quote or song lyric with an image. So you're going to want to start by making sure that you are in PIXLR X and open up your image. So I'm going to open an image that I took while I was on a hike. And before you add your text and image, make sure that you do any editing that you might want to do. So I'm going to go to Adjust and Filter. And if you remember that the light menu is really helpful if you want to adjust any brightness or exposures or contrast, those blacks and whites. Think about what you might want to do to edit your photo before you use it for this project. When you are done, make sure that you click Apply. And the next thing that we're going to be doing is adding text. So if you look on your menu, you're going to find a square with a T that says Add Text. And then you are going to want to add new text. Once you add new text, you're going to see a text box show up. You are going to delete what is already there, and you are going to add your own inspirational quote or song lyric. So I'm going to type an inspirational quote. Nature gives you a path into yourself. And this is where you're going to be able to do some editing. You're going to be able to choose a font that you like. I'm just going to choose one right off the bat just for demonstration purposes. You can choose a fill color. You can change the colors using those menus and toolbars. You can change the size of your text, line spacing, so how much space is in between the words, letter spacing. You can align it center, left, right, uppercase, italicize, bold. There are some other things that you can play around with here that are a little more advanced. Once you've got your quote, you can center it using those pink guidelines, or you can put it where you think is most appropriate for your image. When you are done with your first edit, I'm just going to center mine real quick. Make sure that you save it. It will save in your downloads. You might want to rename it so that you still have your old photo. And you are going to want to turn it in just like you would a project. So remember, when we turn in our projects, we attach our 3 files separately by viewing the assignment, and then just make sure that you answer the questions in the document before you turn it in.